The general overview of the algorithm. This algorithm is all about sorting numbers using selection method. By this program, you can easily arrange numbers from lower to higher, so it may help some people that need to arrange a lot of numbers by the use of the algorithm. Algorithm is a procedure or formula for solving a problem. Based on conducting a sequence of specified actions, algorithms are widely used throughout all areas of IT. A search engine algorithms, for example, takes search strings of keywords and operators as input. Search its associated database for relevant web page and returns result. Algorithm also has a step-based step solution. Each step has clear instructions like a recipe. Long division is another example of an algorithm. When you follow the step, you get the answer.
Algorithm. Here is the pseudo algorithm for selection sorting. Take the array containing elements to sort as an input. Iterate through all the elements in the array. Says element as I. Find the smallest elements from the rest of the array. Array elements next to i's. Swap the smallest elements with I.
Implementation of algorithm. The program runs by means of selection of two variables or numbers, higher and lowest numbers, then swapping it to make a sorted array. Example of sorted array and unsorted array. 25, 21, 17, 13, and 5. 25 and 5 is swapping. Itong 5 mapupunta sa unahan at ang 25 mapupunta sa dulo. And continue to sort of this number. And this was the output of implementation of algorithm. This is a output of algorithm.
Time complexity. As you have to compare each element with other elements from an array list, it has a time complexity of 0 quantity n squared in all three cases, best, average, and worst case. As it takes 0 quantity n squared time, it is not considered as an efficient algorithm for sorting if you have minimal time. Worst case time complexity gives an upper bound on time requirements, and it is open to compute. The drawback is that it's often overly pessimistic, while average case time is often harder to compute, and it also requires knowledge of how the input is distributed.
So, here is the code and real-life problem about the selection sort. So, here is our code. Def swap quantity I, j, array. If I equals j, temp equals array I, and then so on. Just makikita naman natin dito sa gilid. So, ito yung code na gagamitin natin to produce the selection array. So, dito sa may baba, sa array na nakalagay, is papalitan lang natin yan kung ano yung number na gusto nating isort. So, ayan, makikita naman natin sa sample. So, kung gusto nating palitan, pwede natin siyang palitan. And then, pag makikita naman natin dyan yung formula na gagamitin, naka-def siya, di ba? So, ibig sabihin naka-define. May function na ginagamit. So, pagka nila natin siya, i-play na siya, ito yung magiging output. Makikita naman natin sa ating screen yung ating output for our array. Di ba? Makikita natin kanina dito sa code. Balikan natin. Makikita naman natin sa code na hindi sunod-sunod or hindi naka-arrange siya from lowest to highest. So, makikita natin sa magiging output is nakaayos na siya mula sa mababa hanggang sa pinakamataas. Yun yung nagagawa ng selection sort. And then, palitan natin ng input. So, hindi po pwede yung tayo mismo yung maglalagay ng input habang nakarun siya. Kasi nga, array yung gamit natin. Kaya, i-type natin dun sa mismong code yung ating input. And then, siya na bahalang mag-ayos nun para makuha natin yung output. So, ito yung sample. So, napalitan na natin. And then, eto na yung ating magiging output. So, ayan nga. I hope sana naintindihan nyo yung aming presentation. Maraming salamat and God bless. Ingat!